What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Mo, and I'm back with another video. Today I'm heading to 1320 Performance, about like 6 minutes away. Y'all can see on the GPS right here, 6 minutes away. Today I will be buying a performance part for the G and installing it. This part will complete the rest of the parts that I have on the car, basically, almost. But yeah, that's what I'm doing today. So out at Elk Grove, usually not even on this side of town, but yeah, I'm out in Elk Grove. I'm on my way to 1320 Performance, like I said. So y'all stay tuned and comment down below what you guys think we'll be purchasing today. If you guys know 13 Performance, you know they really don't sell that much Nissan or Infiniti things, so they only got like specific things there for our car. But just take a guess, comment down below. Yeah, that's all I got to say to y'all. So just enjoy this ride with me. I'm about to turn this Dolph up, and when I pull up, shoot, we're gonna enter the store and see what they got, man. Browse around, get a couple ideas. This is my first time going here too, so stay tuned. I'm here. Park up. See what the hell they got. They got a nice hatch right here. Hell yeah, y'all. So like I said again, this is my first time here, so we about to see what they got up in here for me in the G. Of course we picking something up too, but let's see what's good. Man, damn. They got some shit over here. Let's go through. Okay. We got some RPF ones right here. Oh. We got a couple B20s and stuff over here. K24s right here. 900 for the B. That ain't bad. High compression B series right here. Boosted one. Damn. What's going on, boss? Hello. Want to pick up a white pipe for a G37? It's all good. I already know how it look and stuff. So I already know how it look and stuff.
Okay. Anything else for you?
Nah, that'd be all.
Yeah, give me a minute, okay?
Mm-hmm.
And I'm going to open it up for you, double check before you go.
Definitely, I appreciate it. These for Hondas right here. Got them catch cans.
Go ahead.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Should we all set?
Yeah, that's it. And pipe. Can you hold my pipe?
Yeah, gotcha. Yeah, look good. I hear good things about these right here. It look good. Wells, everything look perfect. Appreciate it. Alright, y'all, so I'm at the house, and this is what we got for the G. We got us a 1320 Performance wide pipe for it. I like this too because it got the flex pipes on it, and it could bend any type of way you really want it to bend. It could flex with the engine when you hitting the gas and all that. So we got this. I chose not to jack up the car, but when I install that, I'm gonna definitely jack it up a little bit. But pretty much I got the 2 bolts for the this side and the other side all knocked out. So as you can see, it's no bolts up in here. I got those out. So now I just gotta get those 2 bolts on each side and the back, and this old wire pipe is coming right off, and we're gonna get to installing a new one. Also, I'm gonna do some sound comparisons. I'm gonna insert a clip of how it sounded with just the high flow cats and the rest of my exhaust. As you can see, hopefully y'all can see, man, I got this on my head. Let me see. But yeah, so I'm gonna take these 2 bolts off underneath the car over there and start to put a new one on. I'm gonna jack the car up and all that, and I'm gonna insert these sound clips. So be prepared for this, man. I'm really excited. I'm happy to get this freaking stock wire pipe out of here, because man, my car been mad restricted. So y'all stay tuned. Once I get this off, I'm gonna cut the camera back on and show y'all all the leaks I had too. So stay tuned. All right, y'all, so I ended up having to take out this part right here just because this bolt over here is stripped, man. Well, I got it out. Stock wire pipe is out, and got a sawzall right here. I'm about to try to cut this bolt out, and after that, put everything back together. All right, y'all, so I got the new wire pipe underneath here. I'm about to start bolting it together so it could go connect to the end of my freaking high flow. So I'm gonna get this all up and out the way. Once I do that, I'm gonna try to, my bad that this all over the place, but I'm gonna try to freaking just cut the other side of this off right here with the sawzall, just so I could get this to disconnect, and then I could put everything fully back together. Happy I got this shit out the way. Let me show you these leaks I had though. Common sign right there, but you see this shit, it was ready to go. So getting this shit out of here, but I'm gonna tune back in with y'all once I get this all bolted back together, this on the car, and we're gonna give y'all a sound clip. All right, y'all, so I finally got this stubborn stock wire pipe off. I had to cut it off just because I had a rounded bolt. I showed y'all that, but it's off. So now I'm just putting the rest of this exhaust back together. As y'all can see, it's hanging. You can see my aftermarket wire pipe right there. So I'm about to just connect those back up there, screw them in, put the gaskets in. We starting this thing up. All right, y'all, so I got everything buttoned back up. New wire pipe is on. So I'm gonna set y'all up right here and give y'all the first cold start. So it's the first drive with it on, and let's see how it sounds. So far it sounds good to me. I'm gonna pull up to the exhaust shop tomorrow just to make sure everything's like aligned how it should be. It looked like it was, and just make sure my high flows is all tightened up, but I don't hear no leaks. might have like a little tiny leak. But yo, I could feel the difference already, like, and I could hear the difference. Let's see. It make my car feel like just way more responsive. Let's see, y'all. We're gonna see. Okay. Still gotta break it in, I guess. Sounds good. We're gonna see. That shit sounds good. See how the downshift sounds. Good, y'all. So I'm liking it. I'm gonna definitely pull up to the exhaust shop and just make sure everything is tight, but I feel the difference. I definitely feel the difference. I hear it too. So that's it for this video. Hope you guys like this video. If so, make sure y'all click that like button. Comment down below what you guys think. It's your boy Mo. I don't know where I can turn around at. It's your boy Mo. Thanks for watching. Peace.